Hello, hello, hello. This is about graphing solutions and how to solve those on this page 116. Okay, so they gave us our x values, but we have to figure out what is the y value. So all we're going to do on this worksheet is substitution. So let me show you all how to do that. So for our first one, we have 3x plus 4y equal 12. Okay, and they have this off to the side, your x and y, and they tell us that our y values are -4, 0, 4, and 8. And we just have to find if the x value is -4, what is the y value? So we're just going to substitute for these. 3 times -4 plus 4y equal 12. Okay? 3 times -4 is -12 plus 4y equal 12. Okay, we want to get rid of this -12 here, so we go in here and we add 12 so we can cancel it out. But if I add 12 on this side of the equal sign, I must also add 12 on this side of the equal sign. 4y is going to equal 24, 12 plus 12. Divide each side by 4. So we can cancel that 4 out. And y is going to equal 24 divided by 4, or 6. So one of the points that we will have on our graph is going to be -4. Walk over -4 on your x and ride the elevator up to 6. That will be your first point. We will do that with each of the rest of these, and then we'll plot them all out. And I do not have, yes, I do have a grid up here. So I'll plot this one for you. Now I'm not going to work all 3 of the problems out. I'll just work just this first one. Okay, so the next time we're going to substitute 0 for our x value. 3 times 0 plus 4y equal 12. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 4y equal 12. 4y equals 12. Divide each side by 4. And y is going to equal 12 divided by 4, or 3. So our next point will be 0, 3 on our coordinate grid. All right, let's move right in here and substitute 4 for our x value. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4y equal 12. Get rid of this 12, subtract 12 from each side. 4y is going to equal 0, 12 minus 12. Divide each side by 4. So y is still going to equal 0 right here. So the next point is going to be 4, 0. Right, and we'll go and do our last point, and then we'll plot them and show the graph of this linear equation. Last point, we'll substitute 8 for our x value. 3 times 8, 24, plus 4y equals 12. Subtract 24 from each side. Exit out there. 4y is going to equal negative 12. 12 minus 24. Divide each side by 4. And y is going to equal negative divided by a positive. It's going to give me a negative 3. So our last point is 8, negative 3. Okay, let's plot those on the graph. Okay, so here is my graph. First point, negative 4. Walk over to negative 4, 6. Right up to 6. So that point right there, there's negative 4, 6. Next point is 0, 3. 0 on the x, up to 3 on the y. 0, 3, right there. Next point, 4, 0. Walk over to 4, and it's 0 on the y, so it's going to be right there on that line. And our